Plain text is one of the easiest ways to give your AI agent information to work from. It's ideal for details that don't already live on your website or in a document. You just type or paste them straight in. To set this up, go to Automations, then Agents, select your agent, open Knowledge, and find the Text section. Click to add your text, then type or paste your information into the field. You've got plenty of room to work with, so you can add anything from a few key details to longer passages. When you're done, just save, and your agent will start drawing on it right away. If you ever need to update the information, simply edit the text and save again. For more assistance, visit the Talk to Academy or book a call with an AI Assist specialist today.